हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एग्जाम इंश्योर। आज के इस वीडियो में हम IC-01 प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंश्योरेंस के नेक्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चंस को कवर करेंगे। अगर आपने हमारा पहला वीडियो जिसमें हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर 50 मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कराए हैं, अगर आपने उस वीडियो को नहीं देखा है तो उस वीडियो को जरूर देखिए। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम आज का सेशन। ECGC लिमिटेड, formerly एक्सपोर्ट क्रेडिट गारंटी कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड, इज ओन्ड बाई। सो ECGC इनमें से कौन ओन करता है? LIC, जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ऑफ इंडिया, गवर्नमेंट, एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन काउंसिल और ऑल पब्लिक जनरल इंश्योरेंस। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है गवर्नमेंट। तो गवर्नमेंट एसीजीसी लिमिटेड को ओन करती है। द टोटल ऑफ द एक्चुअल लॉस एंड द कॉन्सिक्वेंशियल लॉस इज नोन एज द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल लॉस, मिनिमम पॉसिबल लॉस, प्रोबेबल मैक्सिमम लॉस, मैक्सिमम प्रोबेबल लॉस एंड प्रोबेबल पॉसिबल लॉस. So maximum possible loss is the actual loss and the consequential loss. Motor insurance covers which of the following? Damage to individual, damage to car only, damage to property belonging to third parties, all of the above or none of the above. So for here, all of the above will be the correct answer for this question. For which of the following members mentioned below can a man take health insurance? So नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से किसके लिए कोई भी व्यक्ति क्या कर सकता है? हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस बाई कर सकता है? अपने भाइयों के लिए, सिस्टर्स के लिए, अंकल्स, पेरेंट्स और ऑल ऑफ द अबव। सो ओनली पेरेंट्स के लिए वो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस बाई कर सकता है। IBNR claims are incurred but not reviewed, incurred but not reported, incurred but not responsible, incurred but not responsible, investigated but not reported. So here correct answer is the incurred but not reported. Which of the first कंपनी टू कंडक्ट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस इन इंडिया? सो जिन्होंने भी हमारा पहला वीडियो देखा हुआ है तो उनको आसानी से इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर पता होगा क्योंकि उसमें हमने डिस्कस किया था। सो यहाँ पर आंसर है LIC, ओरिएंटल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, GIC ऑफ इंडिया, मद्रास इक्विटेबल एंड भारत इंश्योरेंस कंपनी। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज द ओरिएंटल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी। Next question is, in which type of the contract the annuitant makes a lump sum payment to insure company and the insurance company start paying annuity soon after the policy commences? Deferred into lump sum annuity, immediate annuity, none of the above or any of the above. So here correct answer is the immediate annuity. So immediate annuity में क्या होता है कि जैसे ही आप lump sum payment करते हैं तो उसके immediate after क्या होता है, आपको पेमेंट मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाता है। Next question is, Mr. X and Mr. Y are the brothers who are traveling on their respective bikes. Due to the negligent driving by the Mr. Y, their bikes collide and Mr. X bike is damaged. Both their bikes are insured. How will the insurance claim be settled? Mr. Y will take the money from his insurance company and pay to the repairers of his brother's bike. Second option is the insurance company will not interfere as it is a family matter between the two brothers. Mr. X insurance company will settle the claim and recover the money from Mr. Y as he was the responsible for the accident. Mr. X insurance company will settle the claim and Mr. Y will get away with his negligent driving as he is the Mr. X brother. So here correct answer is the Mr. X insurance company will settle the claim and recover the money from Mr. Y as he was responsible for the accident. Next question is, what is the purpose of the insurance? Bring people who are exposed to the similar risk together, pay claims, collect premium, all of the above, or make profit from the insurance company. So correct answer is all of the above. So this is not the correct answer. Which of the below is the reinsurance company? LIC, Oriental Insurance Company of India, United India Insurance Company Limited, General Insurance Corporation, or New India Insurance Company Limited. So here correct answer is the General Insurance Corporation is the reinsurance company. So which of the following is not covered under both life and non-life insurance? Critical illness, fire, disability, personal accident, and none of the above. So here fire is the correct answer, which is not covered under both life and non-life. So here fire can be only covered under non-life insurance only. Fire cannot be covered in the life insurance. Which of the following these statement is the correct? Commuted value of the pension are not exempt from income tax. Life insurance policy does not provide saving of taxes. The claim amount received under the life insurance policy is not exempted from the income tax. Tax benefit may not same for all insurance policy every year. In general insurance plans, the tax benefit is available only for all इंश्योरेंस प्लान। सो यहाँ पे करेक्ट हमें बताना है। सो करेक्ट इज टैक्स बेनिफिट मे नॉट बी सेम फॉर ऑल इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज एवरी ईयर, सो इट कैन डिफर। Which of the following get paid by the insurance company? Third party administrator, technical advisory committee, is the all of the above or none of the above? So third party administrator is paid by the insurance company. तो जो भी हेल्थ कंपनीज होते हैं या नॉन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी होते हैं वो अपना हेल्थ क्लेम सेटल करने के लिए एक थर्ड पार्टी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर को हायर करते हैं। सो उनका पेमेंट इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ही करते हैं। Loading of premium due to a claim exceeding a specified limit in a non-life insurance policy is known as। तो क्या होता है कि प्रीमियम पे लोडिंग लगा देते हैं, मतलब प्रीमियम हम इंक्रीज कर देते हैं। क्यों कर देते हैं? क्योंकि स्पेसिफाइड लिमिट से क्या होता है कि हमने क्लेम को एक्सीड कर दिया है। तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैलस बोलते हैं, सिंपल लोडिंग, रेट, एक्सेस क्लेम लोडिंग और नन ऑफ द अबव। सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज द मैलस। Next question is, life insurance can help in safeguarding people against the risk of living too long in the form of term plan, death plan, pension plan, gratuity, and tax saving plan. So here correct answer is the pension plans. Next question is, Mr. X has taken insurance plan from ABC Insurance Company for a sum insured of 1 crore for 25 years. The policy document specifies that if Mr. X dies at any time in these 25 years, the insurance company will pay the Mr. X nominee a sum of rupees 1 crore. Which plan has Mr. X opted for? So यहाँ पर क्या है कि मिस्टर एक्स ने क्या किया है कि 1 करोड़ की पॉलिसी ली हुई है 25 ईयर्स के लिए, और इन अगर 25 ईयर्स में से किसी भी टाइम पर मिस्टर एक्स की डेथ हो जाती है तो एक्स के नॉमिनी को 1 करोड़ रुपए मिलेगा। तो कौन सा प्लान मिस्टर एक्स ने बाई किया हुआ है? इंडोमेंट एश्योरेंस प्लान, मनी बैक प्लान, प्योर इंडोमेंट प्लान और टर्म एश्योरेंस प्लान। सो है करेक्ट आंसर इज द टर्म एश्योरेंस प्लान इन्होंने बाई किया हुआ है। Which of the statement is incorrect with reference to an Indian Contract Act? The Act forms rules for the enforceability of contract. The Act lays down conditions for a valid contract, or the act is relevant to insurance as insurance is also a contract. The act also provides for circumstances where the contract can be treated as void or none of the above. So here correct answer is the none of the above. Marketing is all about between the various customers, diversification, segmentation, orientation, all of the above, none of the above. So here correct answer is the segmentation. In case of ULIPs, which fund will invest a major portion of its fund in government bond? यूलिप में क्या होता है कि यूलिप का मेजर पोर्शन किस टाइप के गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स में जाता है? इक्विटी फंड, बैलेंस फंड, डेब्ट फंड, मनी मार्केट फंड और ऑल ऑफ द अबव। सो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज द डेब्ट फंड। Which of these is a peril? Lightning arrestators, burglary alarms, fire extinguishers, landslides. So here landslide is the peril. Which of the following entities was nominated as the national reinsurer? New India Assurance Company Limited, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, LIC, General Insurance Corporation of India or IRDA. So here correct answer is the General Insurance Corporation of India. The following are exception to the principle of indemnity except। सो नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शन में से सारे के सारे एक्सेप्शन है प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंडेमनिटी के, बस एक नहीं है। तो कौन सा नहीं है? रिप्लेसमेंट कॉस्ट इंश्योरेंस और लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और वैल्यूड पॉलिसी, मार्केट वैल्यू बेसिस और ऑल ऑफ द अबव। तो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज द मार्केट वैल्यू बेसिस। Mr. Shah owns a car showroom. In exchange for a premium discount from his insurer, he promised that no cash would be kept on the premises overnight, and two guard dogs would patrol the gates at night. Mr. Shah's promises were incorporated into the insurance contract. His promises are waivers, गारंटीज, वारंटीज और एक्सप्रेस पावर्स। तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि मिस्टर शाह जो है वो एक कार शोरूम को ओन करते हैं। सो जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है उन्होंने क्या किया, कहा है कि उनको एक प्रीमियम का डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा अगर उन्होंने अपने ऑफिस में रात के लिए कोई भी कैश नहीं छोड़ा है और टू गार्ड डॉग्स को पेट्रोलिंग के लिए लगाया हुआ है। सो यहाँ पर इनका जो प्रॉमिस है ये क्या बताता है? सो इनका ये प्रॉमिस बताता है कि ये वारंटी दे रहे हैं हमें। अगला क्वेश्चन है, देव परचेस्ड अ फायर इंश्योरेंस on his factory where he used to manufacture furniture. Shortly thereafter, he began to manufacture fireworks in the basement of his factory. When a fire severely damaged his factory, the insurer denied liability because the policy stated we will not be liable for any losses directly attributable to a material increase in hazard. This is an example of definition, condition, declaration, or insuring agreement. So here, this is the example of the condition. Arrange in the right order. The important activity in the process of risk management. So risk management के process में important activity दी गई हैं, तो इनको हमें arrange करना है order में. Checking the credibility of the data, analyzing the risk, identify the risk using maximum probable loss or probable maximum loss to analyze the risk. So here correct answer is CBDA, means first we have to identify the risk, then we have to analyze the risk, then we have to use maximum probable loss or probable maximal loss to analyze the risk, then checking the credibility of the data. Next question is, the third party motor insurance covers damage caused by hit and run driver, provides protection for embezzlement of employees, the repair cost of a vehicle, all of the above or none of the above. So here correct answer is damages caused by hit and run drivers. With reference to the provisions of the Insurance Act 1938, the statement is incorrect. The Act provides for the indisputability clause. The Act provides for the microinsurance for rural and social sectors. The Act provides for prohibition of rebates. The Act provides for the guidelines for nominations and assignment of the insurance policies. The Act provides for the investigation inspection by regulatory authorities. So here correct answer is the Act provides for the micro insurance for rural and social sectors. Step up option is available to increase the sum assured include marriage, purchase of house, childbirth, certain policy anniversaries, or all of the above. So here correct answer is all of the above. Next question is, all insurers transacting the life insurance businesses are the members of General Insurance College Council, Life Insurance Council, Institute of Actuaries of India, Tariff Advisory Committee, or Malhotra Committee. So here correct answer is the Life Insurance Council. तो जितने भी कंपनीज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस का कर रही हैं वो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस काउंसिल का मेंबर होंगे. Settlement in product liability cases have caused management to take precautions to reduce both the risk of the product liability losses and the cost of liability insurance. Which of the following is not a way to reduce product liability risk? To test product for safety problems that can arise from proper or improper use, to include thorough and explicit directions with the product, to warn customers about the hazard of using the products incorrectly, to design products that use non-specified recycled material. So here correct answer is to design product that use non-specified recycled material. Next question is, which of these factors that helps to identify risk and analyze them? Data credibility, maximum probable loss, probable maximum loss, or all of the above or none of the above. So here correct answer is the all of the above. So ये तीनों ही ऑप्शन हमें रिस्क को आइडेंटिफाई करने में और एनालाइज करने में हेल्प करते हैं. अगला क्वेश्चन है, मोहन goes to a hospital to get treated for his fractured arm and Soham goes to a theater to watch a movie. Both are the customer, but what is the difference in their situation? For Mohan, it is compulsory to get admitted, but for Soham, it's not compulsory to see the movie. The condition of Mohan is that the anxiety, whereas Soham is not under any stress. Both will not suffer if they change their minds. All of the above are correct, or only 1 and 2 are correct. So for this question, the correct answer is only 1 and 2. Means for Mohan it is compulsory to get admit, but for Soham it is not compulsory that he will go and see the movie. And for the Mohan, What is the condition? He is in anxiety, but Soham is not there in any stress. So only option 1 and 2 are correct. Which of these options is our static risk? So नीचे ऑप्शन में से कौन सा स्टैटिक रिस्क है? फायर इज एन इंडिविजुअल हाउस, सुनामी, फेसबुक आईपीओ फंबल, ऑल ऑफ द अबव और नन ऑफ द अबव. So correct answer is fire in an individual house is the static risk. Which option is dissimilar from other the four options? Exclusion, gross direct loss ratio, solatium fund and expense ratio. So here correct answer is the solatium fund. Which of the following is constituted by state government for speedy settlement of road accident claim, solatium fund, etc.? Motor Vehicle Act, Marine Insurance Act, the Limitation Act, the Railway Claim Tribunal Act, Motor Accident Claim Tribunal. So here correct answer is the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal. Rajesh had given a loan to Kailash of 50,000 for a period of 3 years. At the end of 2 years, Kailash had paid 40,000 to Rajesh. As per the principle of insurable interest, how much is the insurable interest of Rajesh on the life of Kailash? After paying 40,000, only 10,000 is the remaining in the hands of Kailash for the Rajesh. So now only 10,000 is the insurable interest. So correct answer is the 10,000. To collect for a covered loss under property insurance contract, an insurable interest must exist at inception of the contract, at time of loss, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2, none of the above. So here correct answer is the both 1 and 2. Which of the following tools are used to ensure that the insured is placed in the same financial position as he was prior to the occurrence of the covered incident? First option is deduction of under insurance deductible, maximum amount recoverable in general insurance policy, all of the above or none of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Next question is select the incorrect statement. A person suffering from typhoid is an unimportant risk. Inflation is a dynamic risk. Fluctuation in foreign exchange rate is a financial risk. A plane crash is a fundamental risk. Earthquake is a speculative risk. So here incorrect is earthquake is a speculative risk. Which of these statements are incorrect? On assignment, the assigner loses rights over the policy. Assignment means transfer of rights liability of the policyholder to another person. The person who makes the assignment is called the assigner. In life insurance, the consent of the insurer is not necessary, but the insurer has to be informed when an assignment is made. A marine health policy can be assigned without the consent of the insurer. So here incorrect is the marine health policy cannot be assigned without the consent of the insurer. So this will be the correct answer for this question. Mr. Soham has taken an insurance on his house for two different general insurance companies. He has taken a cover of 50,000 from PQR and 1 lakh from XYZ. In case of a fire causing a loss of 45,000, how much he is entitled to receive from PQR and XYZ respectively? So first option is कि उसको full amount मिल जाए PQR से, and second option is full amount XYZ से मिल जाए. PQR इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से उसको 10,000 रुपये मिल जाए एंड XYZ से 35,000 मिल जाए, या फिर PQR से उसको 15,000 मिल जाए और XYZ से उसको 30,000 मिल जाए. सो हेयर क्या होगा कि PQR कंपनी से उसको 15,000 मिलेगा और XYZ से उसको 30,000 मिलेगा. Non-life insurance businesses in India is classified into which of the following major categories? Fire, auto, marine, and miscellaneous. So non-life insurance business only classified into fire, marine, or miscellaneous. Which option is the correct? First option is the liability of an insurance company can rise within a few months to several years. The insurance company has to invest the reserve fund to utilize it and safeguard it. The insurance company is free to choose the avenues for the investment of the company fund. So here correct option is the statement 1 only. The liability of the insurance company can arise within few months to several years. Now next question is in accident the policyholder was not at fault. The insurer settles his claim and pursues the negligent third party to recover the claim cost. This principle of insurance is known as principle of insurable interest, principle of subrogation, or principle of contribution, or principle of loss recovery, principle of average. So here correct answer is the principle of subrogation. Next question is damage due to the floods are associated with fire insurance, marine insurance, motor insurance, life insurance, term insurance. So here correct answer is the fire insurance. Motor insurance cover which of the following: damage to the car or vehicle, injury to the individual, damage to property belonging to third parties, all of the above or none of the above. So here correct answer is motor insurance covers all of these options. So all of the above will be the correct answer. Third party motor insurance is a compulsory insurance a person should take in the first year of the buying car, within the first 2 years of buying the car, before bringing the car on the road, need not to buy motor insurance is for commercial vehicles. So here correct answer is before bringing the car on the road, you have to buy the third party motor insurance. Exclusions are used in insurance contract for all the following reason except. So जो भी एक्सक्लूजन होते हैं इंश्योरेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वो सभी के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं, बस सिर्फ एक के लिए नहीं यूज किए जाते हैं, तो हमें पता लगाना है कि किसके लिए नहीं यूज किए जाते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज टू प्रिवेंट मोरल हैजार्ड फ्रॉम अकरिंग, to eliminate duplication of coverage, to avoid coverage of uninsurable perils, to provide a physical description of the properties. Correct answer is only to provide a physical description of the property. Next question is which of the these is an example of the dynamic risk: eruption of volcano, gambling, rupee fluctuation, train accident in stock market trading. So, dynamic risk is rupee fluctuations. Each member's contribution to the pool is known as premium, contribution, allocation, payment or share. So, here correct answer is the premium. तो दोस्तों आज के 50 क्वेश्चंस हमारे कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. स्टार्टिंग में मेरा पहला वीडियो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 तक ऑलरेडी चैनल पे अपलोडेड है. उस वीडियो को अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो उस वीडियो को भी आप ज़रूर देखिए. और अगर हमारी ये सीरीज़ आपको अच्छी लग रही हो तो हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आगे आने वाली सारी वीडियोज़ आपको मिलती रहें. और अगर आपको कंटेंट रिलेटेड भी वीडियोज़ चाहिए तो हमारे वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट कर दीजिएगा और मैं अपने टाइम के अकॉर्डिंगली वीडियोज़ भी अपलोड कर दूँगा कंटेंट से रिलेटेड भी.